In this video, I will show you how to assemble the trigger group for a Berthier rifle, French Berthier. Specifically, this is a model 1907/15. Okay, and I posted another video where I showed you how to disassemble this as well. So let's start here. Okay, first you take this piece, right, and this one as well. Okay, and they're going to mate together like that. But notice how this spring is kind of like keeping me from bending it. So I need to depress this spring, and then, okay, and I can close the top part over it, right? So there's the screw hole. The screw goes in. I take my smallest screw of all from this assembly, put it in. Okay. Yeah, just tap it. Okay, I think the threads are now engaging. Take a small screwdriver, screw it in. There we go. Okay, so I'll just leave this here for now. Okay, next, this piece we have to insert into here, into the top. So I think, let's see. Oops. Yeah, there we go. It slides in. Can't even remember whether I'm supposed to slide this in from the front towards the back or from the back towards the front. Okay, it's going in. Yeah. There we go. Holes line up. Okay. Then let's take this. Now I kind of skipped a step there. Yeah. Put that there. Take this. This is like your kind of fat, short screw. Just go. This is a little bit tricky. A little bit of a tight fit, and you're kind of dealing with the spring pressure as well. Okay, all right. So I slid the screw in. Let me just tap it a little bit. Right. Now I'll just screw it in. Screws in. It's now secure. All right. So yeah, I did things a little out of order. So this piece that I just slid into the top of the trigger assembly, it needs to be secured into place. So there's a very small but relatively long screw that we use for that. Right. Take it, slide it into the smaller of these two holes. Just push it in. I think you need to tap it a little bit. There we go. Yeah. And take your small screwdriver again, screw it in. Okay. Right. Yeah. Screws in. Okay. Now next, let's attach the trigger spring. Oops. I'm very sure it goes in this way. Just take it. Slide it in until this, you see the bottom part of the trigger spring unit until it slides out of the hole in the bottom of the assembly, right? See how it emerged? And then also ensure that the holes line up here. You have to jiggle it a little bit. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Take the screw, put it in. Okay. Next, just screw it in. Okay, it's secure. And lastly, we need to put the trigger itself back into the unit. So take this, just slide it in. Okay. Now again, you can see I'm lining up the two holes here. And you have to kind of fight against the spring pressure there. Okay. All right. Put your last screw in. Okay. Just tap it again. Just screw it in. Okay, and there you have it. It has been reassembled. I believe, 99% sure this is the action screw that holds the whole trigger assembly into the rifle, and that the trigger screw goes through here. Right, but that's, don't put it in, don't put the action screw in until you're ready to, after you've slid this whole assembly into the wooden stock.